Okay, so these systems are designed to harvest your baby yabbies. So your yabby should already have eggs on it, which we call berried up. So they've all got their eggs on it. I can't show you any at the moment because it's the wrong time of year here. I'll just have to wait a little bit longer so I can get some yabbies to show you. So what we do is we put one individual yabby in each container that has the babies on them, and we feed them. I feed them peas. I know that sounds weird, but peas is a legume, and a legume is protein. So if you wanted to, if you're on a farm and you've got some lucerne, throw a little bit of lucerne in there. But I find peas are the best because if you throw lucerne in there, sometimes it can clog up your pipes. So you don't want something too big that it can clog up your outlet. And you just put one pea in or one legume in or whatever you put in there. It might take them 2 days to eat it. It might take them 3 days. It might take them an hour. You don't put any more in just because you put one in this day, one in that day. Destroying the water quality from putting too much feed in will actually kill your yabbies. So just be very sparing when you're feeding them. Just throw a little bit in and just wait until that's all eaten. Then throw another little bit in and wait till that's all eaten. You just let them eat that, and when you're ready to harvest them, you can see your baby yabbies around on the ground. So they'll be on their mother, they'll be around on the bottom, and then all we do is we turn off this water, push this down here, and then they'll start to come through this pipe, down the pipe, and you'll catch them in your net. And you'll see them down there.